This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're looking after Kerry's pets. Come on. Pet sitters.
Hi, Kerry. Come on in, everybody.
Hi, Joy. Hi, Topsy.
Oh,
Hi,
hi.
Kerry. Tim, Poppy and Bailey are here. Hi, Tim. Kerry, her mum, dad and brother Jaden are going away for a few days. So they've brought Kerry's guinea pigs to our house for us to look after them. Oh, they're so cute. They're called Poppy and Bailey. That one's called Bailey. So snuggly. Good. There we go. And that one's called Poppy.
Let's put Poppy in. Ready? Here we go.
Whoa.
I think
Are you
Poppy's a bit
thirsty?
nervous.
Well, it's time for us to go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Daddy.
Thank you for looking after Poppy and Bailey twins.
Give Poppy and Bailey their feed and lots of cuddles, please. We will.
Good. And the hutch is in the garden, so they'll be very happy sleeping out there, all right?
We won't forget to keep their hutch clean and cosy for them. Bye, pets. Bye-bye, Topsy and Tim. Bye, Kerry. Bye, Tim. Bye, Poppy and Bailey. Oh.
Come on.
Bye, Poppy. Bye, Bailey.
Go.
Bye.
Enjoy your break. Have a lovely time. We'll see
Daddy's going into a house. Mummy, can we hold them now, please?
No, not just yet. You can later on once they've settled in. Because this house and you are all new to them, okay? But it's lunchtime, so come on, double wash your hands. Let them settle in.
Okay, Mummy. After we've had our lunch, the guinea pigs are a bit more used to our house. Mummy let us hold them for the first time. I think I like Bailey.
Good girl, hold her nice. There you
You're
go.
soft and snuggly, Bailey.
Oh, you are holding her
Look at
really
her
well,
eyes.
Topsy. Good girl.
Please, may I hold Poppy now?
Yes, Tim.
Mummy says if we look after Poppy and Bailey nicely this weekend, we can have a pet of our own when we move.
Go.
There's a man in our garden.
Oh, yes, I nearly forgot.
What?
Let's pop Bailey back in and I'll explain.
He's putting a sign up, Mummy.
Yes, he's been sent from the estate agents. They're putting a sign up to say that our house is for sale.
Why?
Well, so that anyone looking for a house to buy can see it.
Hello! Wave, Tim. Oh, he's going now. Bye-bye. Bye. The door of the cage is open! Oh, no! Oh. Where's Poppy gone? I can't see Bailey anywhere. We've lost them. Mummy, sorry, we haven't looked after them very well.
Oh, I should have checked that the gate was shut. Come on, we'll find them.
Okay.
Might be under the sofa. Have a
Mummy?
look over there.
Is it under here?
Let's see.
Poppy, Bailey! Poppy, Bailey! Where are you? Oh. Poppy, Bailey! Poppy, Bailey!
Bailey, Poppy.
Mummy, I don't know where they are. I can't find them.
No, they're not in there either.
Maybe they're by the toys.
Oh, good idea. I'll have a look in the hall by the shoes and boots.
Okay. We search everywhere, all afternoon. But we can't find the guinea pigs. They're not upstairs, Tim. What are we going to do? Mummy, what if we never find Kerry's guinea pigs?
We will. We just have to keep looking.
I know. Mr. Fishwick keeps pet rabbits. He might know what to do.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea, Tim.
Come on. Thank you for helping us, Mr. Fishwick. Sit here.
Well, thank you. Now, tell me again what happened, Topsy and Tim.
Well, we were looking after Kerry's guinea pigs while she's away, but they got out of their run. And now we can't find them anywhere in the house. Not even in their own house.
I see. Escaped guinea pigs. Right. Well, we'd better get this sorted.
Mr. Fishwick knows just what to do.
If you're looking for a guinea pig, you've got to think like a guinea pig.
Why?
Well, it's like this. Have you been calling for them in a loud voice?
Yes, very loud.
Ah, well, that's not the right thing to do. You imagine, if you're really small and you hear a lot of shouting, what would you do?
Hide?
Well done. And what would you feel?
Scared.
That's right, so you wouldn't want to come out, would you? Now, what do you think would make you want to come out?
I know food.
Exactly. So where's the guinea pig's food, Topsy? That's it. Now then. Get that box out. There's a good girl. There, is that... Can you manage? Now, if you shake that, when they hear it, they'll think it's dinner time.
Well done, Topsy.
That's the idea. That's it. Shake the guinea pig's food box again. That's very good. No loud noises, though, Topsy. That's it. Shake the food box again. Now, Tim, no sudden movements. Just very quietly. And listen. Shh.
I heard squeaking.
It's coming from very nearby.
Look, Poppy and Bailey, there they are. It's Poppy and Bailey. They were in Mummy's handbag all along.
Oh, my goodness. Come on, Poppy and Bailey.
I think they like it in your handbag.
Yes,
Bailey
you
this
can.
time.
Oh, you go,
If we didn't see them before, then you might have brought them to the shops.
Well done, Topsy and Tim.
I think I still
You
like them.
are top-class pet sitters.
You really are.
Bailey and Poppy are very lucky.
Thank you for your help, Mr. Fishwick.
Thank you.
That's my pleasure. Gently now.
Now we need to make sure we close the gate.
Perfect. Thank you, Tim. You guinea pigs are very good at escaping and hiding.
Mummy,
Yes, Topsy.
please can we have a pet of our own when we move house? And that's what Mummy said. Yes, I think so.
Yes, I think so, Topsy and Tim. You can have a pet when we move house because you are very caring and loving pet sitters.
Hooray! We're getting our pets! We're getting our pets! We're getting our pets! We're getting our pets! We're getting our...
And remember what Mr. Fishwick said. No loud noises.
And that's the Mummy. Was that? Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Poppy and Bailey escaped today. Can you remember where they were hiding? Were they under the sofa? Or were they in Mummy's handbag? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Mummy's handbag. Watch this. Look, there, Poppy and Bailey, there they are. It's Poppy and Bailey. They were in Mummy's handbag all along.
Oh my goodness. Come on, Poppy and Bailey.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.